people, I am on another Porsche rescue. This rescue is for a little bit more modern car, thank goodness. It's a 2009 Cayenne S, two-owner car. It's not very far from where I live, so that's good. I don't have to go all over the country to get it. Condition hasn't been driven. The owner says maybe a year. It looks more like a couple years to me. It's got a lot of leaves in the engine compartments, parked under a tree, sap on the paint, and grass clippings. Interior is not bad. The seat backs are coming off. I guess that's a common problem. As far as the engine and electronics, the battery's way low. So I did a scout on it, and I was able to hook up my F-250, jump it, and it started. It looks like it's either got the owner says it has a valve cover leak, which I've already read about that, watched a fix on YouTube. It looks like it may have an AOS issue also, air oil separator. There's white smoke. When I put the scanner on it, it's got some codes, misfires on multiple cylinders, which could be associated with the AOS. Probably needs plugs and, coil packs. 140,000 miles on the vehicle. The price is right. I'll feel comfortable putting at least a couple thousand into it, and I'll still be way above water. And hopefully it'll be a nice daily driver, backup. I need more backups because all my cars have over 100,000 miles on them, so there's always one that's broken. So this introductory video, I'll include some before shots. It's evening, and I don't know if I'll get any this evening after loading it up or whatever, but I want everybody to have a look at it in its current state, and then what it looks like after it's cleaned up, because that's the first thing I'll do is clean up the exterior and the interior, and then start work on the engine. And it does need a new battery, which I've watched the video on it. It's massive, and it's under the driver's seat. What were they thinking? Okay, well, hang on for a ride. It could go really well, or it could go really bad. So you never know with these rescue Porsches. All right, it's the next morning, and that load process last night was brutal, ugly, and took like 3 hours. I got the car at the garage. It's dirty, and I'm gonna clean it up while it's on the trailer before I even get it off. Battery is super dead. I can get it started by jumping it off the F-250. So I figure the next time I jump start it, it's going right into the garage. Yeah, 140,000 miles. I'm hoping it cleans up well. It's black with tan interior. We'll take a look at the interior later. Last night when I was loading it, it got away from me. A strap came off and it went through a garage door. And that's what the white paint on the front clips from. Hopefully that'll buff off. Yeah, I'm bone tired, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up. It's got a lot of leaf litter in the engine compartment. I need to get that out of there so the drains don't clog up. We'll see what it looks like after I clean it. Yeah, this is what happens when you park them underneath a tree for a couple years. It's ridiculous. First washing with Dawn soap on a power sprayer just to get the loose stuff off. This is the second washing with Dawn dish soap with a scrubber. You know, just a car mitt. It's getting there. I love the conditions today. I'm not so hot about getting wet, but it keeps the soap, you know, moving, and things are starting to look pretty good. Okay, 2 good washings, and it's not bad. I'm not seeing any signs of major body damage, you know, except the scrapes I put on it last night. So next thing is to get the truck beside it and get it started, get it in the shop. Okay, here's the interior on this thing. It's in the garage now, and I've got a trickle charger on it. I'm getting an odd sound. I don't know if that's coming from the battery or the seat, but it's repetitive, and I don't know. So yeah, I thought the interior was pretty decent on this for its mileage. There's the seat backs coming off. There's supposed to be some parts in here to fix that. Main thing, I just want to clean it up and get the garbage out of here. There's a lot of loose trim pieces. You know, I'll need to vacuum real good and shampoo the carpets and all that stuff. It's got a little bit of a smell going on. Not sure what that's all about. But you know, the headliner, I've seen a lot of these where the headliner's sagging. This one looks okay. That's probably the cause of the... Let me get the trunk open, because I think I just spotted something odd. Yeah, it's like we got a moldy C-pillar trim. That would be the source of the smell. All right, I had to put the battery charger on boost to get the trunk to open. Well, good news is it looks like tools are here. I'm wondering about the security key for wheels. We're gonna have to take a look at that. It's got the original spare tire inflator. That's nice. Option codes. Love that. Let's take a look at those wheels. Yeah. One of them is security, I think. Okay, we'll have to... It may be the same as Boxster. I'll take a look at that. See if anything else is in here. Some cleaning stuff. See, that's the mold I was seeing. So there's a roof drain that's clogged, probably, that's causing that. Well, we got ants on the move. Bunches of them. It looks like they're coming. I saw them in the engine compartment when I was cleaning. They're coming back here for some reason. Something tasty maybe, or moving their larvae. They're all about to die. All right, we're in the thick of it now. So I got the engine started again. Before I started back up, I put a little Marvel mystery oil in the oil. The oil in this thing looked really bad, dirty, very dirty. And ran it for maybe 15 minutes. And I also scanned codes, and there were a lot of them. I think many of them are related to the battery. So I was able to clear quite a few of them. But headlight is affecting a lot, several different codes, and there's some others that are a little bit more concerning. So after I did that, I shut the engine down, car's on the lift, go to take the drain plug out. Well, that is like unbelievably tight. It started stripping as soon as I put the Allen in there, and so basically I had to take a chisel to it to get it to break loose. So that's a part I'm going to need to order, and I think there's a seal associated with it that was missing. And then get this, so I'm looking around under here at the AC compressor, and I'm pretty sure that serpentine belt is on upside down. I don't know. There's ribs on all the pulleys. Boy, if somebody did that, that would be really crazy. Let's see if it's got ribs on both sides. Okay, it does. It's a double ribbed serpentine belt. Well, that's good, because I didn't really want to have to change that. All right, so get the oil filter out, change it, order a drain plug and a seal, and I'll probably put an AOS on there because I know it's bad, and go ahead and get a couple of needed things right from the get-go. I'm gonna have to research the battery. It's a big honker, so I don't even know that O'Reilly's or someplace like that would carry it. So that's where I'm at today. Alright, hopefully we don't have no shiny bits here in the filter. It looks a little sludgy, but no big metallic particles. Oh, that's good.